This is my bike right now, and this is my wallet. If you haven't guessed already by the title of this video, I'm gonna be if you haven't guessed already by the title of the video, I'm gonna be If you haven't guessed already by the title of this video, I'm gonna be rebuilding my bike engine. And it's gonna cost around 500 bucks. For those of you who do not know, 2-strokes have less moving parts than 4-strokes, meaning when it comes time to rebuild a 4-stroke engine, it's gonna cost a lot more. But 4-strokes are faster. Thank God. Theoretically. Regardless, this bike has a lot more than 100 hours on it, so it's just, a lot of the stuff is just basic maintenance. This is a learning curve for both me and my brother, and hopefully you guys, just in case, hopefully you don't have to rebuild an engine, but just in case you do, maybe this video can be helpful. Alright, time to get the parts. Here it is. Wiseco racing piston. And then all the valves. I don't know all of them because I'm new to all this stuff, but alright, everything is set and ready to go. I am so excited. This bike has been down like this for a little over, or actually almost 2 weeks, right?
A little longer than a few minutes later, yes.
Alright. This is all of our parts. Got everything nice and organized. And let's get to work.
Don't know if the camera can pick that up, but that is a perfect, I colored that with Sharpie. So that is the valve against the valve seat, and that is a perfectly consistent plush 1mm line. This baby gonna be sealing up. Alright, I just put these in, so I'm going to check to make sure they're seated. Just give them a love tap, make sure all these keepers seat. They look pretty good to me. So, we got our 2 intake and our 2 exhaust valves all complete. That head looks a lot better than it did. Super crispy clean.
So is it that time?
It's this time.
Gonna hone the cylinder. It's getting dark out. It's like, I think it's 7?
Dinner break.
Yeah, we had to eat dinner.
Rocky Mountain break.
And a Rocky Mountain break. We had to get the shims. Oh my goodness. Don't tear up my motor.
I don't want to do that. Engine oil. Where's the engine oil?
It's really gritty.
Yeah.
This is why we get a professional, ladies and gentlemen. I would not know what to do. Oh no. Don't screw it up.
Well, I have to screw it up for it to work. I think that'll do it.
Let me see. What did it do?
cross-hatched it. You can't see, there's too much oil.
Yeah, I can see it.
Yeah, I can't even see it, so I know you can't.
Oh, wait. It's the moment of truth.
Oh, beautiful.
Let me see.
Oh, man, that is perfect.
Wait, stop right there. Wait. Is that how it's supposed to look?
That's how it's supposed to look, baby.
How long is it taking us? About 3 hours? 3.5?
Somewhere around there.
We got to put antifreeze and oil, make sure it doesn't leak, seal it up, and we'll put on the other stuff tomorrow.
Gotta torque everything down. I'll probably do it tonight.
Everything?
Yeah, it's not. It won't. It
The whole light?
Theoretically, should not take very long.
But I want to go to bed. I'm tired. I got school tomorrow. You're gonna put the whole thing back together tonight?
I'm gonna try.
Dang, son. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. 'Tis sealed. Holy. Whoa, is that bat on? Wait, is it supposed to be doing that tool?
Yeah, I did that last. It's always done that. Building pressure in the valve.
Look at this mess, bro. It was so organized before we started. Now everything's just everywhere.
Filling up with coolant. You see any leaks, let me know.
Ooh, what happened?
Nothing, just make sure I don't spill it.
Fresh oil, fresh filter, fresh gas. I don't know if anything's not fresh on this thing right now. Fresh motor. Only thing we need now is do the suspension. Front needs oil. It's kind of springy because it doesn't have any oil in it. Alright, that's going to be it for tonight. I'm pretty tired. It's a little past midnight. The bike's all assembled besides the plastic over here. Just gave it some oil, or just gave it a fresh oil change. We'll probably start it tomorrow. See if it runs, do a couple heat cycles. So, we'll see you tomorrow.
The next day.
We're just gonna warm it up because I may have to put coolant in it. Moment of truth. Will she start?
Before we started, how many kicks do you think?
Who cares? I just wanted to start even if it's 100. Does that gas in it?
Yeah.
Woo!
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Give us some gas.
No, you can't do that.
Is the choke out?
Yeah.
I may have to recheck the valves. All it was the idle screw. I don't know why it would have changed based on the piston. But I could have also adjusted it by accident. I think it's in good shape now.